wonderful members of the Gyms Parivar, all of you that is. And people who are listening to me, I think before we start in, I think कहते हैं जोरदार तालियों से आगाज होना चाहिए. Put your hands up and let's have a great applause, please. There's only one guy who's shouting amongst the females and the rest of you are getting a little jittered. Put your hands up and let's hear a loud roar, James. Come on, everyone. A few words. Requesting Dr. Amit Gupta to please join us on the dais.
Good evening, everyone. Alumni award ceremony would begin in the next 5 minutes, but just I'd like to share my feelings with all of you. Coming to this venue, I just thought that what is the alumni all about? And then I realized that you people are the beautiful flowers of our college, which spread the love, the knowledge which you've gained at GIMS throughout the world. So I guess 3 cheers to the flowers of GIMS who have spread out throughout the world and are very successful in life. And we as a college, as an institution, have to take care of one thing, which is to support you, to love you, and to take care of you whenever you want. And I'd just like to leave all of you with a beautiful line from a very popular song by Richard Marx. I'm sure most of you listen to good music, and Richard Marx was one of the best slow rock singers I've ever heard, which of course is a slight manipulation here, a slight change. It says that wherever you go, whatever you do, but GIMS will always be there for you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And now we're going to start with something more wonderful and something more exciting. So I'm going to request all of you, don't sit there and spoil it all. Why don't you come, all of you, right here? I think we've got one speaker, and I can be more audible if you can come right here and we can turn the speaker here. All of you here. All of you. Come on, everyone. Leave your cushioned existence there and come right next to the stage here. Come right here, please, all of you. All of you, come on. Everyone there, come this side, yeah? Come up front. All of you, leave your spaces and come here. You're going to miss out something otherwise. People there at the back, the group, making critical some claims. Why don't you come? Leave the cameraman side, just come right there, left, right, center. Cameraman can come here, I don't mind it. I want all of you here. All of you, just stand here. Come on, everyone, just stand here. Come this side. Let's march together. Come this side. Allah Sachin Tendulkar. No. By the time the match was over, Sachin used to bite half his legs away. So, oh no. Come. Give me a bag of WB. A white sweatshirt and girls on stage, and that's the end of the story. The one with the big bag. लड़कियों का बैग नहीं होता, बोरी होती. They will constantly test their husband's patience or their boyfriend's patience by saying मेरा मोबाइल फोन उसमें ढूंढो. लड़का पूरा घुस जाता, नहीं मिलता, वो ऐसे निकाल के just there, you bloody fool. ये भी लड़कियों की गदा होती है. One more. Somebody here in pink. You'll do justice. Please come. You got the looks of Sonakshi Sharma. Sinha, whatever. No, Anushka is horrible, man. She's got wide lips. She looks like Venus Williams to me. The glorified version. And can we have this hot girl standing there? Please come here. She would be a glamorous judge. You just stand here. You tell a girl you're hard. She'll look at you as a line maro. You say you're not hard. She'll hate you for life. People, I would request all of you, whoever is watching, put your hands up and please clap for them, yeah. Everyone. All the hands up. Come on, everyone. I think you ought to, mic को थोड़ा सा और loud करो यार. Mic को थोड़ा सा और loud कर दो. ये बटन सारे घुमा चुका है, वो करा और क्या करूं? There's one game every time. I'm going to give you a Bollywood actor's voice. I did it at one of the shows also. Most of the people I think were not present. And we're going to do it again. Right? People are going to now decipher किसकी आवाज कौन सी है. You come here. 1983. There's a movie called Topa. In front of you, Sridevi stands and you just look at her. Think Sridevi is standing here. Right? And you just look at her and say, oh, that was in dog. You will put your hands the loudest for him, yeah? Come on, everyone. Let's build up a show here. People at the back busy in discussions. Delhi's got a hung assembly. 6 महीने बाद चुनाव है. पीछे रही. Just stand there. I'll call Shakti Kapoor and you come here. You come here. A man who used to indulge in the art of self-seduction. Ajit Sir.
I think it's better to be
Sunny Deol? Okay, look at people and just say, why don't you saw? मेरी बात नहीं मानी ना, कम ना उखाड़ दूंगा. I'll give to you. You come here. Look at people and just say, no. Yeah? Come, you come here. Look at people and just say, Peri, Karan Arjun आएंगे ठाकुर. जरूर आएंगे. Actually, Rafi. Recognize. You come here. Just look at people, just look at the camera and just say, हम अंग्रेजों के जमाने के जेलर हैं. You come here. Come. 6 Hollywood movies, 4 in French, 3 in Italian. In India is a C-grade villain by the name of Gulshan Grover. He is better known than Amitabh Bachchan. Obama knows his name. He is very popular abroad. Look at the camera and just say, bad man. Gun mentions care. मैंने कहा इंस्पेक्टर जनरल दूसरी संविधान. Just do that. Thank you so much. Come. Put both your hands on the back. Put your tummy out. Don't be conscious. Put your tummy out. सांस छोड़ो. अरे यार जिसको इतनी मुश्किल से बनाया उसको दिखाओ. हाँ बस. अब अपने मन में आपको एक धारणा बिठानी है. You got a भयंकर gas problem. I tell you, acquaint this voice with a man called Mughal Azam Prithviraj Kapoor. He used to eat so much, he used to be exploding. If you've ever seen snippets of Mughal Azam, then you'll remember that voice. A very iconic voice. Look at people and just say, Salim, तुम हिंदुस्तान के तंगे का सीन लौटे को बिठाना चाहते हो? Who is the release? He is puzzled. Have you ever driven a car? Just say, oh, he come by के हमारा नाम सुरमा भोपाली ऐसे नहीं है भैया. I'll come to you. Just remember Surma Bhopali. Remember your characters. That's it. Think you're standing in Ramgarh in front of all of them on a horse. You're talking to somebody जो पूरी पिक्चर में लू नहीं गया, टॉयलेट जाए ही नहीं पाया. Absolutely, he was constipated. Just say, अरे वो साला, किस कहीं ना देखा इस सरकार है पे बता तो आज तू रुक रहा इधर. You. How many people have ever heard of Amin Sayani? Amin Sayani? We hear all these people called Ulta Pultas and Khurafatis. They are nothing in front of a man called Amin Sayani. He was a rage for 45 years. Still comes at, I think, 11 o'clock on Red FM or some channel. Just listen to the voice. जी हाँ भाई मनु नमस्कार रेडियो सलाम पे मैं अमीन सयानी और आज सुन रहे हैं सेवा का गीत माला. ऐसे शक्ल मत बनाओ जैसे कोई नेता मर गया होता है. आजकल लोग खुशी मनाते हैं. अच्छा एक और कम हुआ. कम. You got the height of Stalin and Kola. Great height. Right? Look at people and just say a dialogue. A man जिसने कभी भी फिल्मों में बुढ़ापा देखा ही नहीं. Put your hand like this. Think you got Hema Malini right in front of you and just say, क्या कर रही हो? तुम्हारी आंखों में प्यार करना तो ज्यादा है. जॉनी मेरा नाम है. जॉनी. हिलते रहना ऐसे. Karan Johar looks the modified version of Devanand. क्या कर रही हो? अगर आज देवानंद ऐसे करता तो लोग people would have said. A man who for the shift of 9 in the morning shamelessly used to come at 5 in the evening after having eaten his mirchi ka pakoras. Who was he? Rajesh Khanna. Salman Khan has nothing in front of him. There was no Twitter, there was no Facebook. Go home, write on YouTube BBC documentary Bombay Superstar Rajesh Khanna. You'll see the actual extent of what Rajesh Khanna was in his time. 800 girls used to stand in the Ashoka Hotel just for him. Yeah? All young beauties of the time. Look at people and just say, Pushpa, Hariyo, Pushpa, I hate tears. Right? Who's left? Who's left? Come. Please come. I'll give you something which will make you iconic and you're left. Come. How many people have seen Mother India? How many people have seen Mother India? Nargis? Nargis? Everyone? This is a very serious scene. I'm going to make it a very laughable scene for you. Look at it. Look at each other. Look at each other. Look at each other. For 30 seconds, think you're a Muslim Aurat. Look at him and just say, Lala, Lala, ये मुझे एक मुट्ठी अनाज दे दो, मेरे बच्चे भूखे मर जाएंगे. Right? नहीं, आप लाला नहीं, आप वो बनो, वो लग रहा है लाला. And use a picture of lust. We'll jump at him and just say, "Arey Radha, मुट्ठी क्या है? गोदाम खोल दो." Just stand next to each other, right next to each other, next to each other. And one person I like to call because he is depleted of all the energy today. You, the one in green. Why are you sitting like this? जैसा आप आज ही अपनी जान दे रहे हो. Look at people, put both your hands like this. Look at the most beautiful girl in the crowd and just say, सुनी बाबू हमसे कोई प्यार नहीं करता. हाँ हम देवदास हैं. Right? Thank you so much. I'm going to call upon, I'll call upon now the man with the lust and the woman from Mother India. You come here, and the woman. People put your hands up for them, yeah? Come on, everyone. Okay, had the audibility been a little more, we would have been great today. Look at people just say, Lala, मुझे एक मुट्ठी अनाज दे दो. That's it. Hand comes out and you jump at hand, sir. Radha मुट्ठी क्या है? गोदाम खोल दूं. Yeah, full of lust. Action. I'll hold the mic. You just spread out. Lala. Don't seduce him, yeah. वो करेगा क्या? You're acting like Rakhi Sawant, man. Lala, come, Lala. Yeah, absolutely. This is the way. आप तुम समझो. चलो, let's go. One more time.
नहीं लाला, मुझे एक मुट्ठी अनाज दे दो.
तुम और seduce कर रही हो सारी बात करके. The next chance, the last chance to him. The last chance.
लाला मुझे एक मुट्ठी अनाज दे दो मेरे बच्चों के लिए.
He is so puzzled. He is oh, you got $1 ही खोया हुआ. Thank you so much. Where is Shah Rukh Khan? Where is Shah Rukh Khan? Where is Shah Rukh Khan? Come here. Look at people and just say, Chuni Babu हमसे कोई प्यार नहीं करता. Chuni Babu, मामू नहीं. हाँ मैम आप देवदास हैं. Look at the girls and just say that. Shah Rukh Khan is a favorite with girls. You don't have to become Karan Johar. You want to. Let's do it one more time.
चुन्नी बाबू हमसे कोई प्यार नहीं करता. हम देवदास हैं.
You're looking like Devdas has gone somewhere else, man. Okay, I'd like to call the girl here. Look at the camera and just say, "Baby, Karan Arjun आएंगे ठाकुर, जरूर आएंगे." My God, the children are dead और तुम हंस रही हो. चलो, come on, let's do it, yeah. You can't? Okay, you come here. Just look at people there and just say, "Nahi, Bhanno." Oh, you're looking like Bibasha Basu. Okay, calling upon the man with the gas problem. Put your hands at the back, protrude the tummy out, and say, "Salim, तुम हिंदुस्तान के तट पे एक हसीन लौंडी को बिठाना चाहते हो?" हाँ, नौकरानियों को वही कहते थे. Absolutely. Action. Walk from there. Show me the gate. चल के कैसे आओगे? Come. Now walk. No, उसको piles नहीं है, gas है. You're walking like a piles problem है. Now do it. Got it. Action. Now.
सलीम, तू हिंदुस्तान के तट पे एक लौंडी को बिठाना चाहोगे?
चाहोगे? मतलब you're more interested in the girl. Okay, calling him on Dev sir. Where is Devanand? Dev, come here. Come here. Where's Dev? Yeah. तुम हमेशा हाथ अंदर क्यों रखते ठाकुर की तरह ऐसे करके? क्या कर रही हो? तुम्हारी आंखों में प्यार करना ज्यादा है. जॉनी मेरा नाम है.
क्या कर रही हो? तुम्हारी आंखों में बहुत प्यार दिख रहा है.
बहुत प्यार दिख रहा है? My God. Thank you, sir. Where is a man who indulged in the art of self-seduction? Mona, darling. Come. People, I think everyone here, let's clap for him the loudest here. Come on, he's got the toughest job on hand here. Look there, right in the camera and just say, Mona, darling. हम तुमसे नहीं, हम लिली से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. Okay, now he wants to mimic Sunny Deol. So let's have Sunny Deol from his side, right? Put your hands up with the loudest, it's the toughest words, man. Chilo, let's do it.
चाटा समझाओ इसे. ऐसे खिलौने बाजार में बहुत बिकते हैं. इन्हें चलाने के लिए जगह चाहिए, जगह जो सिर्फ मर्द लेकर पैदा होता है. ये 2.5 किलो का आता है. जब खेल पड़ता है ना, आदमी उठता नहीं, उठ जाता है. तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख। अरे क्या है ये तारीख जज साहब?
सानी की आवाज तो निकली नहीं, कुछ और नहीं निकल रहा है। Thank you so much. Calling upon somebody else. Where is my favorite Amin Sayani? Come. Chalo, let's go. Yeah, Amin. जी हाँ, नमस्कार. मेरी सलाम पर अमीन सयानी.
जी हाँ, नमस्कार, सलाम, मैं अमीन सयानी.
This is looking like a leader dead over. तुम खुश हो? Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you. I will keep it at that. Just be here. We're coming back for something more in 5 minutes. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you. People, I think we're all assembled here for a purpose, and I see boys and girls at the back. I know talks are very important.
Hello, good evening. I am Professor Dogra. Request faculty members at the reception counter to please send the students forward to the stage. Ashok Sharma, Deepak Sharma, Varun Sapra, please send the students towards the stage. Because we are having the award ceremony for the best alumnus award for each campus. Manish Dhingra from Kalkaji, Abhinav Jain, Praveen Khandelwal, Chirag Talwar and Sharad Sharma, please come towards the stage.
Churchill once said history would be kind to me because I would make it one day. We're all going to make it tonight. Please put your hands up and let's have a loud applause for James, please. All of you. Loud applause. Can we have some noise, please, boys and girls? Too disciplined is okay, the word, but today is a night where we are all going to be a little naughtier. So please put your hands up and let's be a little naughty.
I will request our chairman, Dr. Amit Gupta, Director Lajpat Nagar, Professor M.K. Singh, Dr. Dhar, Director Vasant Kunjwan to come on the stage for the award ceremony. I request Dr. Sethi, Dr. Batra from Kalkaji, come on the stage. This year for Best Alumnus 2013, we have 2 awards for Kalkaji campus, one in the PGDM category and the other in BBA category. So I'm starting with Kalkaji campus first, our main campus. First category is Kalkaji campus Best Alumnus 2013 in PGDM category. Let me give the brief profile. But before that, I will request Yamini to present a bouquet to our chairman. Let us welcome our chairman with a bouquet of flowers. Okay. The Best Alumnus 2013 for Kalkaji campus in PGDM category. The Best Alumnus is PGDM category for Kalkaji campus is presently working with SR Steel India Limited since September 2006 at the position of Deputy Manager Finance. His job profile includes project financing activities including financial modeling, sensitivity analysis, financial feasibility of new projects, interaction with banks regarding fund and non-fund-based activities, including trade finance activities like buyer, supplier, credit projects. He has also worked with IDBI Bank Limited and Religare Securities Limited. His qualifications include MBA from JIMS, Kalkaji, with specialization in finance, Bachelor of Business Economics from University of Delhi, with additional qualifications of Diploma in Advanced Computing from CDAC, and German language course with A1, A2 and B levels. Continuing his pursuit for higher education, he is presently doing LLB. During his tenure in JIMS Kalkaji, he secured A+ grade for his presentations in the classes, which we feel must be helping him today in his professional career. With this profile, we announce Manish Dhingra, the Best Alumnus 2013 in PGDM category for JIMS Kalkaji campus. We welcome him to this homecoming ceremony and request him to come on the stage and take the award. Now the best alumnus 2013 for Kalkaji campus in BBA category. While announcing this best alumnus for Kalkaji in BBA category, we have a sense of nostalgia as the alumnus has passed BBA honors from the first GIMS campus in South Delhi in GK1. We also feel proud in having him here today amongst us, which proves the everlasting relationship of GIMS with its students. After learning the art of jewelry manufacturing and diamond grading from Intergold, one of the leading jewelry manufacturers in India, he started his own firm, and today he is one of the leading jewelry manufacturers and designers in Delhi with a blend of exquisite designs and techniques. Apart from doing his business passionately, he actively takes part in serving the society by organizing blood donation camps, free cataract operations, providing hearing aids to children, helping in sanitation and education of girl children in schools, running schools and inter-college in Aligarh, where over 500 students are reaping the benefits in many ways. With this profile, we announce Abhinav Jain as the best alumnus 2013 for GIMS Kalkaji campus in BBA category. We welcome him to this ceremony and request him to come on the stage and take his award. Now, for Lajpat Nagar campus, for announcing the best alumnus for Lajpat Nagar campus, we first need to go back into the history of Lajpat Nagar campus, wherein, apart from operating from Mathura Road and Kalkaji locations, its first debut location was Model Town, long time back. We feel pride in announcing that the best alumnus for Lajpat Nagar did his BBA from Model Town campus. It will not be incorrect to say that this alumnus has been a founding student member of GIMS. He is a first generation entrepreneur and presently is the MD of Pranay Impacts Private Limited, which is started in 2003. Today, his company and the business is the largest in its segment in SAARC countries. His company has also reached the turnover of rupees 100 crore recently. Apart from his business, he is also actively involved in CSR activities, including his association and active support for Ekal Vidyalayas in India. He is Praveen Khandelwal, the best alumnus 13 for GIMS Lajpat Nagar campus. We welcome him to this homecoming ceremony and request him to come on the stage and take his award. Now comes Basant Kunj 2 campus. The best alumnus for Basant Kunj 2 campus is a marketing professional with proven experience in brand management, corporate communications, hospitality and travel sector. He is presently the National Marketing Manager India with FCM Travel Solutions, the world's leading travel management company based in Australia and represented in 87 countries. He is responsible for overall brand visibility, advertising, communications and events for this company. His wide work experience include being regional marketing manager Hilton worldwide, having more than 3,000 hotels across the globe, associate marketing communications, HVS hospitality, Services India, leading consulting organization in the hotel industry. He also has worked as consultant, marketing and corporate communications, Emergent Ventures, and also as marketing executive, Virgin Atlantic Airways. Our best alumnus from Vasantkunj 2 campus did his BBA from JIMS and PGDM from Times School of Marketing, New Delhi. He is Chirag Talwar, best alumnus 13 for JIMS Vasantkunj 2. We welcome him to this homecoming event and request him to come on the stage and take his award. Now comes the host campus for this event, Vasantkunj 1. Now please listen carefully. It says, if you watch NDTV 24/7, Hindi news channel, do you remember, सुनाता हूँ आज आम आदमी की कहानी, आम आदमी की जुबानी. If yes, this is the brief and most appropriate introduction of the alumnus who has been chosen for the best alumnus 13 for Vasantkunj 1 campus. After completing his BGMC in 2007 from Vasantkunj campus, he started his professional career in 2007 itself as researcher, then to reporter, then to correspondent, and presently is a senior correspondent with NDTV India. In the beginning of his career, he covered stories on stock markets in India and the economic problems of recession and inflation. He came to limelight from the Anna Hazare Jan Lokpal movement, which he covered extensively for his channel. He has also been covering the Aam Aadmi Party activities and growth right from day one. He also has done many reports on the living people and their problems in Delhi and NCR, and for which he was awarded the Best TV Reporter Award in News Television Awards 2013 function. He also covered extensively the recent natural calamity of floods and cloudburst in Uttarakhand. He is Sharad Sharma, Best Alumnus 13 for JIMS Vasantkunj 1. We welcome him to this event and request him to take his award. Thank you. Sharad, please. Here for 2 minutes for Sharad Sharma. All the best alumnus of all the campuses. Chirag Talwar, Abhinav Jain, Praveen, and Manish Julia.